Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. I still remain your one and only Progress News, bringing it to you live and direct. See, today's update is a kind of wonderful one because I always say that you should not fight someone that is not fighting you. Yes, anybody that is not fighting you, do not fight. Anybody that did not curse you, do not curse. Don't go and inherit other people's enmity. It is unfair. It is not good at all. It is what it is. We are the only person that can tell you the truth at all time. You see what is going on right now in Nigeria, whereby the government wants everybody to be under their control. When I say their control, you know the group I'm talking about. The leaders in southeastern part of Nigeria, they are like working machine. They work for the Fulanese government. That is what they are doing. They work for these people. They obey them. They submit to them. Whatever they ask them to do, that is what they are doing. Do you know that a lot of truth is now ringing out? This person before you in this photo is the governor of Abia State. You know how Nnamdi Kanu, how the Nigerian government, that is the Nigerian military, came as Operation Python dance. Yes, so they said they want to arrest him, but the way they came, do they look like someone that is coming to arrest somebody? And before then, if they want to arrest Nnamdi Kanu, it should be the police. Why the military? Why are they coming as if they want to fight people that is in they want to fight people that are in forest? They want to fight boku. They want to fight criminals packed everywhere just because of one person. And today, the governor is already voicing out what happened, how the betrayal started. It is very, very shameful. They kept all these secrets all these years. And when Justice Binta was saying that you want to hear the reason why Nnamdi Kanu flew the country like jumping bail, they all kept quiet. But if something did not touch them, if not that, they have seen the level, they have seen the way the structure is going, they have seen that 2023 these people did not need them. They screened all of them away. They don't have any voice as far as 2023 is concerned. And what happened? They start voicing out now. Now they remember that they betray a son, they betray a brother, they betray a father. Now, the governor of Abia State is now saying that he was not consulted before Nnamdi Kanu's house was invaded. That is what he's saying in this interview. He said he was not consulted. Nobody talked to him. Nobody tell him anything before coming to invade Nnamdi Kanu's home. Now, the governor who spoke in an interview said the army commander at that time came to his office to inform him that he had order to arrest Nnamdi Kanu. You hear what he's saying? He said the army came and said he have order from where? From Abuja, that he should arrest Nnamdi Kanu. In his words, I was not told that anything like that invasion was going to happen. I only saw the GOC who was at Enugu at that time. He showed up in my office and told me that he will arrest Nnamdi Kanu. I asked him why. He said he had order to arrest him. I told him to give me few hours, and he agreed. I called the traditional rulers and asked them to talk to Nnamdi Kanu's father, who was a traditional ruler, to persuade Kanu to come and have a word with the GOC. But Nnamdi Kanu refused, saying he was under siege already in his house. I did not know that the soldiers were already everywhere. You see what is going on? Now, the governor of Abia State is now letting us know that they did not even tell him that they are coming to invade Nnamdi Kanu's home. These are evidence already. God is working for Nnamdi Kanu and to the favor of all those who believe in this Biafra restoration. He said that they did not inform him that they are coming to invade his home. He said when the GOC entered his office, he said they told him to arrest Nnamdi Kanu. And he asked them, why did you want to arrest Nnamdi Kanu? He said they have the order that they should arrest him. He said, okay, hold on, let me make a call. He made a call and called some traditional rulers. They should call the father of Nnamdi Kanu, that Nnamdi Kanu should come and have a meeting with the GOC in his office. Do you know that Nnamdi Kanu picked up the call and said that his house is already under siege? There is no way out, and that he cannot come out from where he is right now, because you know the way they dance to that place. It's Operation Python dance. They surrender everywhere. The full community were under siege. People were running for their dear lives. Now, the governor moved further to say that what is happening in Southeast is as a result of total disregard of the interests of the Southeast people. What has happened in the Southeast is a combination of all manner of things. One is the total disregard of the interests of the Southeast by the center and fragment and provocative comments from both government and various elements and character. It is difficult to find peace wherever injustice is. Nnamdi Kanu is saying that if we are not wanted, could we go? There are 3 options available to every man. Integrate me, let me be part of it. And the other one, endure until you die or exit. But the system is saying endure until you are inhabited. The leadership of the nation is not engaging anybody. Can you imagine? Now, we are so happy that things are turning out this way. Now they understand the purpose and the reason why Nnamdi Kanu said, give me Biafra, do this for me or we go. He gave them option, integrate us, let us be one. That is what Nnamdi Kanu was preaching of one Nigeria before now. He let the government understand that let us be one, integrate us. Let it be that I am important in my country. Let me see myself as also a first citizen instead of third citizen. These are what he wanted, and this is the voice of a lot of people. Now it is obvious that these governors, they are dying in silence. I'm telling you, they are dying in silence. For him to come out to voice his mind, for him to come out to say that these people, they said, integrate us, make us be part of you people, or let us, or you give us Biafra. Now they understand, and they are now coming back to their senses that Nigeria does not belong to them. That is why they are coming out to tell you that Nnamdi Kanu has done nothing wrong. You see, they are now feeling the heat. They now remember or understand or eating in the same pot where Nnamdi Kanu ate, and he see that the injustice is too much. They are not testing of it. Nnamdi Kanu is with them. They will not say, oh, because of Nnamdi Kanu's brokers, that is why they are coming back to their senses. Nnamdi Kanu is not with us. He's with the Funanis. So they know how they made the arrangement to make sure they captured Nnamdi Kanu. But at the end, everything is now working together. They are not regretting it. So the best advice for them is the way they contribute this money for this purpose, of which we know that the money that was used to quicken everything, believe me, majority of the money is going to come from the southeast part of Nigeria, and that is what happened. They were thinking once they capture Nnamdi Kanu, 2023 will be for them. That is what they told them. But you are seeing the way the music is going. They said, help us, betray Nnamdi Kanu, and 2023 will be at your doorpost. And they were so happy, shouting over it. How is it today? They told them betray Nnamdi Kanu and 2023 will be at your doorpost. Now they are seeing that reverse in the case. They did not even permit them to even knock, not say entering. Now they are facing the music and we are watching them. They play the music, they need to dance in the music. So my realistic people, that bring us to the end of this update. I will keep bringing it to you as soon as more updates upload. So my realistic people, do well to like this video, share and subscribe. See you when I see you. For me to you, from here, remain blessed.